Welcome to Excel Intuition's Isblank function example 2 video. Suzanne here. If you haven't already done so, I highly recommend you pause the video and download your own copy of the companion workbook so you can try what we're doing in the video on your own, in your own workbook. The link to the companion workbook is in the bottom of the YouTube entry. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump to the information function examples worksheet. And what we have here is we have the function name in this column, a definition of the function, a place to enter a value for the function to test, and a place to enter the function. So we're demonstrating the Isblank function here. So we're going to enter Isblank, and I can just type the name of the function, open parentheses, click in this cell to be the value for the function, and close the function. And we see the result of the function Isblank of cell G6 has a result of true because this cell is completely empty. It has no value. It's considered to be a null value. And we can see what happens differently if we type a space into this cell and click enter. Now the Isblank function results in a value of false. And we can also see that even though we can't see the contents in this cell, if we used a len function to test the length of the text string in that cell, we get a value of 1, even though we can't see anything because there's one space. But if we click into that cell and then we choose to clear the contents of it, we go back to Isblank having a true value, and the length of the contents of this cell is 0. Thank you very much, and I look forward to you checking out another video.